again, your boy Turbo TV with another video. Today is a video about a mod. Oh, if you're new to the channel, hey, hit subscribe and then hit that little bell icon on the side, and then it's gonna drop down 3 little things. Hit the top and say all. That way you be notified every time I post. Everybody that's already family was happening. But yeah, so today I am, well, clear. I'm letting my youngest one act crazy. Yeah, so I decided to finally put my intakes on my car. So that's what you're gonna get today. But I'm already started. I literally forgot that I was supposed to be recording, and Rockstar reminded me. So I'm gonna show y'all what it is right now, and then we're gonna get to the whole new shit. But so, yep, it's a hole in my car. It's can I damn record? Yeah. Inlets. A little dirty. Yeah. Oh, they ain't dirty. Yeah, airbox used to be here. I'll show you. Airbox. Inlets that go from the airbox to the turbo. It is a K&N filter in there, but this comes out after a little maneuvering. The rings to hold. Took them off. Now, what are we putting on the car? Look at her, like she fucking bullying somebody. Voila. So, we got the new CTS intakes. The 2 hoses or piping, whatever you want to call them. These are the 2 filters, and this is all the hardware. So, once I get all this stuff unbagged and whatnot, I'll turn this camera back on. Alright, so you got 2 filters. The other one I'll show you in a minute. 2 filters with their name on it. Then you got these. It's 2 of these small ones, and it's 2 of these big ones. And they all come. Oh, that's straight. Yeah. So basically, you got the pipe, and this goes around it. Then you got to put these on the clamps. Jesus, it's difficult. Take the clamp, put the clamp around that. It's hard to do with one hand, but I can get it done somehow or another. Jesus Christ. You get the gist. That goes down here to secure this to the pipe. And then there's another one go up there where it's at now to secure this rubber piece to the filter, which, let me show you. This piece goes in the filter. This has to be bracketed down also. That goes in like that. And there's already one on it, so you tighten that. So that'll be secure. Then this. That connects to that. It's difficult. Difficult to show. But I'm gonna get this on, and then I'll tighten it down and show you what it look like. The other one is already on, as you see. So I'll bracket it down. That's how it'll look. Except the other one will be up here. You'll see when I get done with it. And don't nobody comment like nothing about my engine bay being dirty. So what? Run something. Alright, so it's on. It is finished. They are on my car. They are secure. This is rubber, so don't worry. It's supposed to flex, but it won't come off. I'm pulling. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. The 2 big ones go here to secure this to that, and then that to this. And then this black piece goes in here, which is secured by that. And you see the bottom one down there. This stays. This is a part of the air box, which sucks the air in so that these can breathe, as you see. So I guess, I mean, if y'all like it, hit them up here in a minute. We're working on sponsorship, so I'll have a code with my name on it. But yeah, I guess let's see what it sounds like. Put your tubes back when you use them, man. After you use them. See what it sounds like. Hopefully my key will let me start my car because it is dead. And it's dead. So, put it there. And it starts. So I'm gonna give one of them my phone so they can record it for me. Rockstar, grab my phone. It's recording right now.
We'll record on the box, right? Damn! Bro, it's so different, bro. It's so different. Bro, you gotta watch the video. Like, the air, you can hear the air.
I heard it. So, I guess I'm gonna take y'all down the street so we can find out what it sounds like driving. Let's make sure it's closed first. We in there. So, let's take a drive, man. Turn this camera around. That way I ain't gotta hold it. And y'all can just, you know what I'm saying? Listen to it as I ride. I'm gonna have the windows down, so hopefully my exhaust don't overpower it. But we'll see. What the fuck are you looking for? People drive down my neighborhood like they live here. Like I'm supposed to move for them. Just as I thought, my exhaust is overdoing anything else that you could possibly do. Let me leave it in regular, not in sport. Oh shit! Hey, it's whistling. You can hear it. Y'all probably can't, but I can hear it. It's a big difference. Another thing I noticed with it though is faster throttle response, if that makes sense to y'all. Put it back in regular seat. You can hear it. Oh shit. Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe. This is a for sure buy. This is a good buy. Yeah, this is worth it. Ooh wee. I'm gonna turn this camera on after I park my car. Hey, so I'm in the car, man, and Rockstar ride with me. They didn't hear what I had heard whenever I let the gas go. Y'all not gonna be able to hear it because of my damn exhaust, but I'm gonna turn the camera on here. This nigga just heard it. A quick little piece of it. And I'm not even in sport mode or nothing. I'm in regular ass drive.
Bro, that's crazy.
You heard it now? Jesus.
Oh my god. Bro, this car is so much more aggressive.
Hey, it's different. It's way different. When I say throttle response is way faster, it's loud. Like, it's loud. My car turbos are loud now.
Super loud.
And I mean, they even loud on me regular ass driving. That's the crazy part. But yeah, I like it. I like it a lot.
Me too.
Like I say, throttle response is way different. Way different. It's quicker, it's snappier, it's loud. Like, you can really hear turbos now. If you've ever seen my car in person, you know these are direct injected turbos, so you don't get the blow off or the you get it now. So if you got one of these, you got an S6, get this system.
Please.
Like, I'm telling you,
It makes your turbo so much louder.
it's way different, bro.
You talking about damn?
Bro, you didn't. Yeah, I'm gonna turn out my. All right, so I'm back. Parked my car back in the garage, dirty as could be. It's all right. Don't worry about it. Oh, I gotta put my damn shit back on my car. So yeah, y'all heard me, man. I like it a lot. I think anybody with this car should get it. I think if they make one for your car, you should get it. Period. I don't care if you got an Audi, Volkswagen, or not, because y'all didn't know Volkswagen make Audi and Lamborghini. But yeah, that is it. But we about to put the cover back on. Go ahead. You don't know. Here, give it to me.
I mean, I only could do so much.
Where is it? Where is this one? Alright, so yeah, that's what it looked like. All finished and done with the new intakes that are fucking amazing. The faceplate back on, everything on the car. That's a wrap for this one. But yeah, I enjoy it a lot. I will leave the website, I guess, in the link or in the description or whatever the case it is. But yeah, man, it's amazing to me. Amazing. What you think?
I like it. I like it a lot.
It sounds like my car got a blow-off valve and it don't. Zay ain't rode in it yet because he like
To
to
watch the dog.
Huh?
I would have let the little bitch ride.
This nigga said I had to watch the dog
Like, see,
in a cage. In a damn cage. Blue, what you got to say? Nah, you're not gonna get it like that. You're not gonna get it like that. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed, man. Any questions, comments, whatever the case is, hit your boy up. Turbo TV, man. Out.